Welcome to C# School. This is Evan Payne, your instructor. Today we're going to build our very first program. Let's go up to File, New, Project. Click on Console App.NET Framework. Go to Name and name it whatever you want. I'll name mine Project 1. This is the location where your project will be on your computer. Click on OK. Visual Studio will create a project for us right here. This is the code in our only file of our project. It's the boilerplate code that is necessary for any console app, and we will write our first line of code. As you see, Visual Studio will give you a suggestion, so we'll go ahead and take it. Console.WriteLine, and that's exactly what we want to do. We are going to write a line to our console, and we'll say hello world. Then we'll do console.readLine, and we're going to save it, Control S, and then we're going to build it. Click on Build, Build Solution. And what this is going to do, among other things, is it's going to compile our code. It's going to take this code and turn it into instructions that our computer can read. As you see, our build has succeeded down here. You get a little message. So let's go ahead and run it. Click Start. And as you may have guessed, it prints out a line, hello world, to our console. We put console.readLine here because if we didn't, the console will just display that hello world and immediately close. But we want to be able to see our beautiful text that we wrote. Go ahead and hit enter, and congrats, you built your very first program. I'll see you on the next video.